What's going on, guys? Got a condenser here that was running with the thermostat off, and as you can see it was frozen, so we pulled the disconnect. So back now, gonna put the disconnect back in and you'll see the unit turn on. Okay, let's get the cover off here and see why this thing's running with the thermostat off. See, we got our contactor pulled in. See if we have a wire shorted out here. It's the red and the orange is what's hooked up. Okay, it looks like we got a bad contactor here. All I did was push this in with my finger and it popped out. So I'm gonna replace it, which this is one I just put in last year. So it's about a year old. So I think I got one on my golf cart. We'll pull this out and throw another one in. Okay, we got the old one out. Here's our new one. Gonna install the power wires first, just because on these Goodmans they mount the contactor so low it's hard to get the wires in there. Okay, we got our power wires hooked up at the bottom, our low voltage. Now we'll hook our reds back up. 2 black wires. Alright, let's put the disconnect back in and we'll see what happens. Hopefully it does not come on. Then we'll go in and turn the thermostat on and make sure it's working properly. Alright, looks like we're good. Go inside and turn the thermostat on. Okay, there we are. Good to go. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.